NaJae back here with another video. This time, I haven't tried this video yet, so I'm going to be mentioning some of the products that I do use from Young Living that I use a lot, and that they're empty bottles. To show you that I don't throw them out, but what I do is, I found that you can put some of the carrier oil in it, and then put a roller on top of it and use it just like that. So that's really cool. So my first one's going to be Thieves Essential Oil. I love having Thieves on hand. When you're sick, when you want to wipe stuff down, it's just really good to have in your household, okay? My next one would be Lemon Essential Oil. If anybody knows me, I love lemon essential oil. I love putting it in my diffuser, my water. It's really good. Just the smell of it is very uplifting, and I like having that smell around me. Lavender Essential Oil. I use this more in my products, but I also, like, sometimes I'll put it on my scars if I ever get one. It's really good to have on hand. Peppermint. I love peppermint. I love having peppermint on hand, especially if I'm not feeling too good. I rub it right on my stomach, and it's really good to use. Like within 5-10 minutes, you're feeling much better. I also use it when I'm sick and like my nose is all disgusting. I like to just open up the bottle and just inhaling. It's really good. It's also really good to diffuse it as well. And then my last one I'm going to be talking about is spearmint. So when I run out of peppermint essential oil, I use spearmint. It kind of reminds me of the spearmint gum. Like the taste of it, it tastes just like that. So I like using spearmint when I don't have peppermint. And it works the same way. So those are just 5 essential oils that I like to use from Young Living. There's more. Trust me, there's a lot more products, but I'll probably start making more videos of essential oils that I have empties, or what I use the most out of my products and how I use them. So if you want to see more videos like that, just leave a comment down below. Yeah, so this is just a quick video. Let me know what Young Living products you like to use the most. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then hit that bell when so you're notified when I do post another video or when I go live. Okay? See you guys later. Bye.